comparable for my needs and works perfectly. Works, no issues. I am unfamiliar with electronics. I was looking to connect my new monitor to a Lenovo Micro Yoga 3 and fortunately had a female adapter and could use it. Thank you. Works better than generic brand. This was bought as a backup adapter I take with me when I travel. Already had one I use daily. Works perfectly with my 910. It works. Had to buy this for my work laptop. Works great. Great adapter to turn your Lenovo Yoga into a desktop. Works flawless. Working as expected. Good product. Worked exactly as I expected it to. Verified to work with Lenovo Yoga 910. Great secondary adapter to keep in my backpack for travel. Worked perfect as intended out of the box. Easy to set up and use. Click link in description for more reviews.